My name is Frank Leclair. I'm part of the Mechanical Engineering Technologist group. The job that I do on this project is mainly of the design and fabrication of basically any of the mechanical components.
My name is Donohue, and I'm an electrical engineering technologist studying at Algonquin College. My role in this project is to help design the robotics element and the wiring, soldering. Our project is an accessible locker for locker services of Algonquin. It's to allow wheelchair access and people with physical disabilities to use a locker where they normally may not be able to. Placement of things where we would assume would be in a good position was not for them. Shelving had to be higher. Hooks weren't as useful as we had thought because when the shelving goes higher, there's not as much room in the locker as we had anticipated beforehand. But in the same regard, it opens up space in other places. So there were certain aspects they enjoyed and they were commented on, such as having a raised area, which means that you can roll up to it so that you're not overreaching yourself or going side saddle. Also the motorized opening and closing means they aren't tripping over themselves, opening and closing the door. They don't have to kind of half open wheel back and go. So that was kind of encouraging. That was something that I didn't consider. I assumed they would have more ability to open and close doors than that, and then realized, wait, they do have to do what's in front of you. You kind of take that for granted. It's something that you oversight until you ask questions. The stage we're at for the completion of the project is final soldering and adjusting, so tweaking. All our components work. We now just have to make sure they work exactly the way we want. So placement of switches, timing of motors, so whether it runs for 4 seconds or 3 seconds, or how long an LED should be to signify that it's open or that it's read your card. Things along those lines that are non-essential to the working mechanisms of the project, but are there to add depth to the project. So the project works, we're just fine-tuning it.